hello! I'm teacher Miss G. So call me Miss G. I am your teacher for today. And today we are going to learn how to read very well. Because reading is important. If you're able to read very well, you can read many stories, many poems, many books. You can be very, very intelligent. But to be able to read, you must remember that the letters have names. And the letters have names, but they have different sounds. So let us review the names of the letters. Let us sing the alphabet song.
The traditional ABC song from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now, children, let us review the sounds of the vowels. Ready with your hands? So it's going to be fun. Say, ah, ah. One more time, ah. Now, oh, oh, oh. I, I, I. One more time, I. And eh, eh, eh. And Now let's say the keywords. Apple, apple, apple. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Indian, Indian, Indian. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Okay. Now, children, let us go to the consonants. Remember, we did the vowels a, e, I, o, u. Now, let us go to the other parts of the alphabet which are known as the consonants. The first one is letter B, but the sound is different. Put your lips together and let the air out. P. Say it. P. Okay, one more time. P. And the second time. P. Now, let us have our keyword. Ball. P. Ball. Ball. Say it with me. Ball. One more time. Ball. Say the sound. P. 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 Now, the next consonant is letter C. Letter C has two sounds. One is the hard C, and the other one is the soft C. Soft C, hard C. Let us go to the hard C. When the hard C is sounded, you have to make the air out of your mouth with a force. It's just like a silent cough. Say it with me. One more time and articulate. One more time. And our keyword for is cat. Cat. Say the sound. Say the sound. One more time. And the next one is soft C. Soft C. Hard C. Soft C. Like a snake, a hissing snake. Or when somebody is noisy and you say, say the sound. Say the sound. One more time. Our keyword is circle. Circle. Say it again. Circle. Say the sound. Now, let us go to the next vowel. And the next vowel is D. That is the name, but the sound is D. Can you see the difference? D, that's the letter. The sound is D. Now, let me see your tongue. Put out your tongue. Now, put the tongue inside your mouth and put it on top of your mouth and say D. Okay, say the sound D. One more time. D. Two times. D. Again. D. And our keyword is dog. Now again, the tongue should be on the upper side of your mouth. D. Say it again. D. One more time. D. Okay, very good. The next letter is letter F. But the sound is not F. The sound is F. Now, again, show me your lower lip. Put your lower lip under your upper teeth and say, blow. It's not like, do not put your lips together. That's wrong. Lower lip up under the upper teeth and blow. Okay, say it again. So say father. Or say far. Say it with me. Far. One more time. Far. Again. Far. Say the sound. Sound. Say the sound. Now, the next letter is G, but its sound is K. Let the air from your mouth with a force. K. Say K. Say it again. K. With a force. K. Say it with me 3 times. K. 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 Let me hear you. K. 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 Our key word is girl. Say it. Girl. Girl. Let's say the sound. K. 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 Now the next letter is going to be easy. Letter H. It has no sound. So, open your mouth without any sound and say, breathe out. Say, the sound of letter H is, okay, and our key word is hat. Say it with me, hat. One more time, hat. Say the sound. Okay, very good. Now the next letter is L. But the sound is L. Put your tongue on the upper side of your mouth and let the air roll around your mouth and say L. Say the sound L. One more time, L. And our key word is lollipop. Lollipop. One more time. Lollipop. Say the word. Ooh. Let me hear. Ooh. Say the sound. Ooh. Okay, that's very good. Now, let's go to the next letter. The next letter is J. J. But the sound is not J. The sound is Ch. It is like saying D, G, E together. Ch. It's just like saying go away. Ch, ch, ch. Say it with me. Ch, ch, ch. And our key word is jump. Let's jump. Jump. Say it again. Jump. Let's say the sound of the letter ch, ch, ch. Okay, very good. Our next letter is M. What do you say when you are very, very full and the food is delicious? Say mmm. Say it again. Mmm. That's the sound of M. Put your lips together and say, mmm, delicious. Say it again. Mmm, delicious. Or, when you are rocking your baby to sleep, the mother, our mommy says, mmm, mmm, mmm. Say it with me. Mmm. Say it again. Mmm. One more time. Mmm. And our key word is mouse. Say it again. Mouse. Aspirate, mouse. Okay, when I say aspirate, you have to emphasize the sound. So it's going to be very, very clear. A little bit of overacting. Okay, the next sound is letter N. N. But this time, the air will not come from your mouth. the air will come from your nose. So, show me your nose. Here, the air will come from the nose. So, say, Did you feel the air from your nose? If it's coming from your mouth, that is not the way to say the sound. It has to come from your nose. Say it again. One more time. Second time. Okay, our key word is nose. 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 Say the sound. Say it again. Nose. Okay. Now, the next one, the next vowel is P. But the sound is not P. The sound is P. Okay. Put your lips together and purse. Like this. Purse. One more time. And let the air out. P. Say it again. P. Can you hear? Can you feel the air? Say it again. P. P. Okay. Our key word is puppy. Say it with me. Puppy. 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 Say the sound. P. 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 Okay. The next sound is the letter Q. Q. That is the name, but it's not the sound. The sound is like a K-O-O. Cool. Say it again. Cool. Cool. And our keyword is queen. Queen. Say it with me. Queen. Cool. 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 Okay. Now, let's go to the next letter. And the next letter is R. But it is not the sound. And you will love the sound because it is like the roar of a lion or the sound of a roaring motorcycle. The sound is rrr. Okay, say the sound with me. And you're angry. Rrr. Say it again. Be very angry. Rrr. And our key word is rain. Say it with me. Rain. Or you can say tiger. Tiger. Did you hear the r? Say the sound. R. Say it again. R. One more time. R. Okay, that's good. Now, the next letter is S. But be very careful. The tongue should be inside the teeth. Because if you put out your tongue, it is going to say the wrong sound. Like, that is wrong. Put your tongue inside your teeth. Close your teeth and say, S. Okay, say it again. S. Close teeth. S. And our key word is snake. Snake. One more time. Snake. Say the sound with me, children. S. Aspirate. S. Say it once more. S. Okay. Now, let's go to the next sound. The next letter is T. But the sound is not T. That is the name. The sound is T. Put your tongue up your palate, where your teeth meet the upper side of your mouth, and say T. T. Say it again. T. One more time. T. And our key word is top. 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 Or another key word is turtle. Say it with me. Turtle. Say the sound. T. 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 Our next letter is V. That is the name of the letter, but that is not the sound. The sound is V. See how different the name is? Say the sound. V. Again, lower lip, put it under your upper teeth and say V. Say it one more time. V. Again. V. And our key word is van. One more time. Van. Again. Van. I cannot hear. Say it. Van. Say the sound. V. V. Aspirate. V. Okay. And the next one, it's going to be easy because there is no sound. That is the letter W. See how different? The name is W, but it has no sound. Open your mouth and breathe and say, okay, it's just like opening your mouth a little wide. Say, one more time. Let me see your mouth. Okay, our key word is water. Say it, water. Or another key word is wow. Say wow. It has no sound. Okay, now let us go to letter X. That's the name of the letter, X. But the sound is like K-S. X. Say it with me. X. One more time. It's just like a firecracker. X. 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 Now, our key word is box. Can you hear it? X. One more time. Box. Box. Or you can say fox. Fox. Can you hear the KS? X. X. So that is the sound of X. X. Say the sound of X. X. One more time. X. I can't hear you. X. Okay. Now, here is another letter that has no sound. The letter is Y. That's the letter, but it has no sound. Okay, open your mouth and say, no sound. Okay, one more time. Open your mouth and say, and our key word is yo-yo. Say it, yo-yo. One more time, yo-yo. Say the sound with me. Okay, now we're in the last letter. The last letter is Z. But it is not the sound. The sound is like a buzzing bee. Have you seen a buzzing bee, children? How does it sound? Let's say the sound of a buzzing bee. There it is. Zzz. Say it again. Zzz. Okay, say it with me. Zzz. One more time. Zzz. One more time. Zzz. And our key word is zipper. Say it with me. Zipper. Let me hear. Zipper. Say the sound. Zzz. Zzz.